Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best CPUs you can buy in 2024. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or just looking for a powerful upgrade, we've got you covered. Links to all the phones are listed in the description below. Number 5. AMD Ryzen 7 5800X 3D. Best AM4 upgrade. Coming in at number 5, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X 3D. This CPU is a fantastic option for a specific group of people. Those who already have an AM4 motherboard and are looking to squeeze some extra juice out of their existing system. Why the 5800X 3D? Here's the deal. The 5800X 3D boasts some impressive features. 8 cores and 16 threads. Handles even demanding games with ease. 100 MB of cache with 3D V-cache. This is the real star of the show. This massive cache improved performance in many games, especially those that rely heavily on fast data access. Who is it for? AM4 upgraders. If you're rocking an AM4 motherboard and want a significant gaming boost without needing a whole new platform, the 5800X 3D is a compelling choice. Gamers. This CPU excels in gaming thanks to its focus on raw performance. Things to consider. Price. The 5800X 3D can be a bit pricier than some other options on this list. Cooler. Keep in mind, it doesn't come with a cooler, so you'll need to factor that into the cost. Number 4. Intel Core i9-13900K. Best high-end Intel CPU. For those who bleed blue and demand the absolute best from Team Intel, look no further than the Core i9-13900K. This CPU is a powerhouse, packing serious muscle for content creators, hardcore gamers, and anyone who needs bleeding-edge performance. Why the i9-13900K? Here's what makes the i9-13900K the king of the Intel hill. Monstrous core count, with a whopping 24 cores, 8 P cores plus 16 E cores, and 32 threads. This CPU can handle anything you throw at it, from rendering complex 3D models to fragging noobs in the latest games. Blazing clock speeds. Boasting a max turbo frequency of up to 5.8 GHz, the i9-13900K screams through even the most demanding tasks. Future-proof features. With support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, the i9-13900K is built for the future, ensuring you stay on top of the tech curve. Who is it for? Content creators, editors, animators, and 3D artists will love the i9-13900K's ability to handle heavy workloads with ease. Hardcore gamers. This CPU delivers top-notch gaming performance, ensuring smooth gameplay at high resolutions and frame rates. Power users. Anyone who needs the absolute best performance for demanding applications won't be disappointed with the i9-13900K. Things to consider. Price. As expected with top-of-the-line performance, the i9-13900K comes with a premium price tag. Heat. This CPU is a beast, and with that comes some serious heat generation. Make sure you have a robust cooling solution to keep it tamed. Motherboard compatibility. Double-check your motherboard compatibility before pulling the trigger, as it requires a newer Intel 600 or 700 series chipset. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. Best value for gaming. Looking for top-notch gaming performance without breaking the bank? Look no further than the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. This CPU strikes a perfect balance between power and affordability, making it a fantastic option for budget-minded gamers. Why the Ryzen 5 7600X? Here's what makes the 7600X a champion for value. Strong gaming performance. Packing 6 cores and 12 threads, the 7600X delivers smooth gameplay at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. 5 HFOM. Architecture. Built on a cutting-edge 5nm process, this CPU offers excellent performance while keeping power consumption in check. Overclocking potential. Want to squeeze out even more performance? The 7600X is unlocked, allowing you to push its clock speeds for a slight performance boost. Who is it for? Budget-conscious gamers. This CPU is a great choice for gamers who want excellent performance without spending a fortune. 1080p and 1440p gamers. If you primarily game at these resolutions, the 7600X has the muscle to deliver fantastic frame rates. Streamers on a budget. With its strong core count, the 7600X can handle streaming alongside gaming without breaking a sweat. Things to consider. AM5 platform. The 7600X requires a new AM5 motherboard, which can add to the overall cost. Not the absolute top performer. While excellent for its price, there are higher core CPUs that can deliver even better performance. Number 2. Intel Core i5-13600K, best all-rounder. The race for the top CPU gets tighter. Here we have the Intel Core i5-13600K, a processor that strikes a golden balance between power and price. It's a fantastic option for gamers and content creators who need a CPU that can handle anything you throw at it. Why the Core i5-13600K? Here's why the i5-13600K is a compelling all-rounder. Impressive core count, with 14 cores, 6 P-cores plus 8 E-cores and 20 threads. This CPU can juggle demanding games and heavy workloads, like video editing, with ease. Strong clock speeds. Boasting a max turbo frequency of up to 5.1 GHz, the i5-13600K delivers smooth performance for both work and play. Future-proof features. With support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, the i5-13600K is built for the future, ensuring you stay on top of the tech game. Who is it for? Gamers and content creators. This CPU is a great choice for those who need a processor that can handle both high-resolution gaming and demanding creative tasks. Multitaskers. Need to edit a video while streaming and keeping dozens of Chrome tabs open? The i5-13600K won't break a sweat. Value seekers. It offers excellent performance for its price point, making it a great choice for those who want a powerful CPU without spending a fortune on the absolute top of the line. Things to consider. Cooling solution. Similar to the i9-13900K, the i5-13600K packs a punch and generates heat. Make sure you have a good cooler to keep it under control. Motherboard compatibility. Double-check your motherboard compatibility before pulling the trigger, as it requires a newer Intel 600 or 700. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 7800X 3D. Best overall for gaming. And the crown for the ultimate CPU of 2024 goes to the AMD Ryzen 7800X 3D. This powerhouse processor is a dream come true for serious gamers, delivering unmatched performance in your favorite titles. Why? The Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. Here's what makes the 7800X 3D the king of the gaming hill. Unmatched gaming performance. Thanks to its massive 96 MB of L3 cache with AMD's innovative 3D V-cache technology, the 7800X 3D delivers phenomenal frame rates, especially in games that rely heavily on fast data access. Strong clock speeds. Despite having only 8 cores and 16 threads, the 7800X3D boasts impressive clock speeds, ensuring smooth gameplay even in the most demanding titles. Future-proof technology. Built on a cutting-edge 5nm process, the 7800X3D is efficient and stays cool under pressure. Who is it for? Serious gamers. If you demand the absolute best performance in your games, the 7800X3D is the undisputed champion. Competitive gamers. Every millisecond counts in esports, and the 7800X3D gives you the edge you need to dominate. Streamers and content creators. The 7800X3D can handle both high-performance gaming and background tasks like streaming or recording with ease. Things to consider. Price. As the top performer, the 7800X3D comes with a premium price tag. Motherboard compatibility. It requires a new AM5 motherboard, which adds to the overall cost. The AMD Ryzen 7800X3D reigns supreme for gamers in 2024. But remember, the best CPU depends on your specific needs and budget. Let us know in the comments below what CPU you're currently rocking and if you're considering an upgrade to one of these beasts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.